Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm going to be opening 7 Journey Together packages today. I am currently 98 packets deep into Journey Together trying to find the Clefairy, so comment down below and wish me some luck. Package number 1. Package number 2. Number 3. Package number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Last pack. Well guys, that is all for today. Follow along for more videos. Right here I'm going to link my Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Follow along. See you guys in the next video.